Python development environment. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel here. So today let's start to understand what is Python development environment. See, a development environment, is nothing than a combination of a text editor and a Python runtime implementation. See, the text editor will allow you to write the codes for your application, and the runtime implementation, it will provide you the method for you to execute your code in your machine. So there are several Python development environment options available, including integrated development environments like PyCharm, VS Code with Python extension. So those ones, they are more heavy, to run your laptop. If you have a weak laptop, I won't recommend you to start with PyCharm, either with VS Code with extension, because it might be heavy for your laptop or for your machine. But you can either start with Sublime Text or even VS Code, but without extensions. Don't install a lot of extensions, because extension might make it to be a lot of heavy to run on your laptop if your laptop is weak. But if you have a really good laptop, for example with 6 RAM memory, you are good to go with maybe PyCharm or either VS Code. And that's why there is no things like PyCharm is the only one that can work with Python. No. It's always like that. You can work with any text editor that you feel more comfortable working with. If you like PyCharm, you can use PyCharm, no problem. If you like VS Code, you can use VS Code, no problem. But it also depends on what are you working with. For example, if you are working with the things that, for example, machine learning, a lot of stuff, a lot of like data science things and else, some people used to say that using PyCharm is really very helpful. Even also using Jupyter notebook is really helpful for you to manage, because those are things that are really dedicated to work with Python programming language. So that's why sometimes they have more like a little bit advantage comparing to VS Code when it comes to Python. I'm not saying that VS Code is weak to work with Python. No. VS Code is very good. It's one of the most popular text editor out there. But PyCharm is really dedicated to work with Python. But I'm talking about PyCharm. Even me, I don't use too much PyCharm because of my laptop is weak to work with it. No, but PyCharm is really good, and it's very good option if you are a professional developer. You can jump into PyCharm. But if you are a beginner, if you are someone who is just starting with Python, I won't recommend you to start with PyCharm, because sometimes it might look a little bit complicated. So that's why just start with VS Code or with Sublime Text, which is this guy. They are very easy to go with. So how to prepare your laptop to run the Python programming language is very easy. So the only thing that you need to do is just following these steps, which is first select the version of Python to install, download the Python executable, install it, run, check if Python has been installed on your Windows or not. Then choose the download and install the text editor that you want, and after that you can just run some tests to see if Python is really working or not. So as I said, the first thing that you need to do is just you'll click on this link. Don't worry, I'll keep this link on the description of this video. Then it will take you into Python website where you do download the Python executable. Me, unfortunately, right now I don't have internet, my connection is down, but I already have Python. But I have already downloaded this, so I can just follow with you. For example, this is the Python setup. You just click on it. After you finish the download it, just click on it. Then after that, as you can see, it's asking me for them to modify, to repair, to uninstall. But for you, it will be asking for you to install. So for example, me, I can just click on modify, just for I want to show you something. So then after that, you just click on next, and you will see something while installing Python. See, you see something like this one. Add Python environment variable is very important for you to check this one. So you need to select this. Is very important for you to run Python without any problem. So after that, you just click on install, then it will install Python on your laptop or on your machine. So when you'll finish, then you also need to choose which text editor that you want to use. For example, me, I choose VS Code. So I just download it. So then after you finish download VS Code, you need to also to install it. So you will install VS Code, and when you will finish to install VS Code, you will open it. So it will show something like this. So now after the installation, if it is finished, you can just come here, open your terminal. Let me open here. then you need to type something like this, okay, to check if Python is installed or not. If you just type Python, okay, like this, then just hit enter. Let's see what will happen. Okay, if you get something like this, that means Python is installed on your machine and you are good to go with Python programming language. Okay, see you in the next video.